Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PyCharm on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install PyCharm, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar just simply search with PyCharm download and you'll be getting this www.jetbrains.com as our first search result. So here you need to just simply click on download PyCharm and this will going to redirect you to this official site of PyCharm, and here you can see that it is available to download the professional one and the community one. So I'll be downloading the community one and I'll be showing how to install the community version, which is totally free. So you need to just simply click on this download button to download the latest version of PyCharm, and you can see it has rightly started downloading. Now since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it. I'll just simply minimize my browser. If I go to my download directory, you can see that our latest version of PyCharm is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 377 MB. Okay, so now to install, you need to just simply double click on it, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and you will be seeing this Python installation wizard. So let us first minimize our download directory. Okay, so here you need to just simply click on next, and this is going to be our installation destination folder, so you can keep this default. Just simply click on next, and here it is under installation options, it is telling like whether you like to check this PyCharm community edition desktop shortcut. So what it will do is it will going to create a desktop shortcut over here. Okay, so I want that. I also want to open folder as a project. So let's say you have a folder over here and you want to open that in our PyCharm, so that you can easily do using by checking this open folder as project. And I would also like to check .py, so that all files that are present on my this PC which ending with .py, which means Python, will automatically going to open using PyCharm. Okay, and this is the most important step. You need to check this add bin folder to path. Okay, and you'll need a restart after finishing of this process. I'm going to tell you when you need restart. Okay, so do check all this and then just simply click on next, and see they're going to create this JetBrains folder, which is totally fine. Just simply click on install, and you can see our installation has rightly begun. So this installing the latest version of PyCharm will take some time, a couple of minutes maybe. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after completion of this process. Yep. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our PyCharm Community Edition setup is rightly installed, and it is telling that whether you like to reboot now or you like to reboot later. So this is the place where you need to select this reboot now, and then you need to just simply click on finish. Okay, so you need to reboot your system and then again come back. Okay, so after successfully rebooting your system, you will be again landed over this desktop, and you will be seeing this PyCharm Community Edition setup is rightly installed. Also desktop icon is created. So you need to just simply double click on it to launch our PyCharm, and it will show you that whether you would like to import PyCharm settings. So if you have previously installed PyCharm, then you can select this configure install directory, or else I'll be choosing do not import settings because I am installing PyCharm for the first time on this system. So most of the cases you will be choosing this one only. Okay, and then just simply click on OK, and you can see that our PyCharm community 2022.2 is rightly launched. Okay, so welcome to PyCharm. Let's maximize it, and this is basically the interface. So you can click on start to get a detailed overview of this application. I'm going to show you all of that, so don't need to worry. All you need to do is right now is just simply clicking on this new project, and you'll be getting this new project window. Here you need to give your project name. So I'll be giving the project name as hello all, right? So our project name is rightly given, and now you can see that it has rightly recognized our python.exe. So all it basically mean is, so as I have previously installed Python, so it has recognized. If you haven't installed Python, then also not a problem. It will also going to install Python along with creating of this project. Okay, so you can keep all other things as default. So this is the important create a main.py welcome script. So here they're going to create a welcome script. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so just keep this all default. Just simply give a project name and then just simply click on create. And you can see it is, rightly started creating our virtual environment. Now since I have already Python installed, so they're not going to again install Python. In your case, if you haven't installed Python previously, then it will also going to install Python along with creation of this project. So for me it is very quick because Python is already installed. Okay, in your case it might need to install Python, not a problem. And you can see they have also created this main.py. Okay, this is just a sample template they have created. So here is our main method, and here we have this print high method which is actually getting called here, print high, by passing this parameter called PyCharm, which is they're going to receive over here, and then they're going to print high and then PyCharm. Okay, so if you just simply click on this run button, you can see high PyCharm rightly shown. So high, and then this name is coming from this print high method. Okay, so if you let's change this to high, let's say all, and if you click on this run button, it is going to give the output high all. Okay, and let's say you want to start creating a project from scratch. So let's delete everything from here. Just simply select all and delete, and you can start your own stuff. Like let's say you want to print hello world. So just simply write that much, click on the run button, and it will going to give you the output. Let's say you want to add a couple of numbers. So you are setting a equal to 5 and b equal to 3, and you want to print the output of those two numbers, a plus b, right? So if you write this much and click on this run button, it will going to show you the output 8 over here. Okay, so 5 plus 3 8. You want to do subtraction, a minus b. Okay, you want to multiply a into b, or you want to divide a divided by b. So do this much, then just simply click on run button, and you can see that addition came, then the subtraction 5 minus 3 2, and multiply 5 into 3 15 came over here, and multiply a into b, so 5 into 3 15 came over here, then divide 5 divided by 3, which is 1.667, so that is also shown. So in this way, you can easily install the latest version of PyCharm on a Windows operating system, and you can easily start learning Python. So that's basically all about this video. I have already made a video about Anaconda. So if you are into machine learning or artificial intelligence, then I'll be recommending you to install Anaconda, right? So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.